Good morning students. My name is Kumar Sanu and I welcome you all to the Vidyapeeth group of institutions. Today we will be discussing another important topic from civil engineering point of view, that is auto level. As you can see, the instrument kept in this video is called an auto level. Now the question arises, what is an auto level? An auto level, also known as self-leveling level or a builder's level, is a professional tool that can be established or verify points in the same horizontal plane. Builders or engineers and land surveyors use these optional levels to plan structures and development and ensure structural soundness. We will be discussing about the parts and functions of the auto level. And typical auto level consists of a tripod, a bubble, a circular level and a telescope with a magnifying glass. Now as you can see, this part is called a telescope. Okay. Now we will be discussing about the different parts of the telescope, then we will see the leveling staff and the tripod later on. Now as you can see, there are 3 screws, 2 screws in the front and 1 screw is from the back. These 3 screws are called the adjustment screws, which is used to adjust the centering bubble of the auto level. Now next part, these 2 screws are called the movement screw. These screws are used to move the auto level in horizontal direction. Now this screw is called focus screw, which is used to focus the lens of the telescope. This is the front end of the telescope and this is the back end of the telescope. Telescope consists of a crosshair which is used to measure the angle. Now uses for an auto level. Auto levels are used for various purposes such as developing drainage systems, grading for roads, landscaping, setting foundations, subsidence, measuring, verifying elevations and angles. Now the next part of our auto level is plumb bob. This plumb bob is used for centering or marking the ground level of the auto level. It's called leveling staff. It is used to measure the elevation or distance from the ground level of any plane. Now as you can see, this instrument is called tripod. The auto level is placed on this level and it is fixed with the help of the screws. Now the question arises, how does an auto level work? An auto level works by measuring the difference in elevation between 2 points or determining the heights of different landscape features or structure. In simple words, we can say it is used to measure the difference in elevation of 2 points with respect to any known points, that is called the benchmark. Now in next video we will be discussing about how does an auto level work and we will see how the calculations are made. Fine. Thank you.